Hey, so, okay, this is how you do it in ExactPath. Again, not everybody does this. I don't do mine for a grade. You can, totally up to you. I'm just showing you how to add things. I'm only going to show you how to do assignments right now, mostly because I don't have time to do the challenges. But it's not hard. You can get in there and play around with it and figure it out, or I can show you later. So basically, you get into your ExactPath and you go to assignments. And then, like, I've got stuff in there. I'll explain those in a minute. But you just want to create. And then you're going to go up here and basically just fill in everything. So, hold on really quick. So, what I do is, like, look up here really quick. You've got math, reading, and language arts. I know you know that, but what I do is just make one for each subject. Is what I'm trying to stutter out. So, like, right here, these are the ones that I assigned for this week. And you've got a math, you've got a reading, and you've got a language arts. Okay. So, for next week, I don't have any that are ready to go. So next week I'm just going to start. So math, or for math, it's going to be first grade. And just kind of think what we're doing right now. So we're doing measurement. And then next week we're really going to be working on time. So I'm going to do time. And these say K5. Really, it doesn't matter. Just pick one. So, like, I would probably do this one for next week, and then I could do this one the week after. All right, so then your start, so you have all that up there. Your start date, I'm doing mine on the 31st. And I'm going to do the end date. Probably going to take it through the weekends. So the end date would be November the 6th. Is probably what I'll do. Okay. Actually, I'm going to make the end date on Monday. So they can work on it on Sunday. So there's that. You want it for all of your kids. So you have to select all. But if you ever wanted to do it just for a few kids, that you would just select a few kids. All right, so I've got 65 kids. Actually, I've got 66, but whatever. Who's counting? So anyway, you assign. Showtime, close. There you have it. Now it's going to come up on this screen, and it's going to be, you can see it down there. The date is October 31st through the 7th. And then this one is one that is currently going on. So I'm just going to keep going. You can stop this if you want to. So I'm going to do reading for first grade. I'm just going to get mine done for next week. Oh my goodness. Let's just do foundations. And man, I don't even remember what I did last week. What did I do for reading? Don't remember. Okay, so it'll be all right. So, oops, yeah, reading, first grade. Seriously, you could have stopped this. I'm just going to do foundations and sounds and words. I think they've already done it, but it'll be all right. So, end date is the start date 31st. End date is the 7th. Select all, assign. Okay. So I have math, reading. Now I'm going to do a language arts. You can see that hardly any of my kids do this. So I'm just doing this so I can say, yeah, I've got stuff there. And yes, I tell them. Duh. All right, so we're going to do, for language arts, I'm just going to do language and see what we can do. Some of this stuff really does not, it says first grade, but I don't know how that could be. I'm going to do capitalization. See what that does for us. Select all. Oh, I forgot about my dates. Start the 31st and end on the 7th. So then what I'll do is, like, for Seesaw and for ExactPath, like I've already done next week. So what I'll do is come in and do the same thing for all of December, or sorry, all of November, all of November for Exact Path and Seesaw, and just get it done. That way I don't have to mess with it. So like this right here that you see, that was done at the 1st of October because I didn't want to have to think about it. So like right now you could do all of November. And then we do have TGAs that are going to be assigned. So when they are assigned, you just go in. Those are in Seesaw, but same difference. Like you just go in and just like archive this or whatever until your TGAs are done. I'll explain all that later. Anyway, all right, that's it.